Looking for a coolant for 6.7 Cummins? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 coolant for 6.7 Cummins available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect coolant 6.7 Cummins for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Ursn weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe. Ursn coolant Y pipe can replace OEM's plastic material coolant Y pipes. If you have too many OEM's plastic Y pipe parts for your Cummins diesel engine and not get rid of them, the clamps may break at any time, leak or blow out all the coolants from your system. Especially when you are racing or crawling on the recovery trail. Ursn weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe is a perfect cooling solution for. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the RDPro 6.7L weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe. The Dodge Ram Cummins cooling system was specifically designed to flow the coolant trough separate pipes. Up part to 3 auto coolants are out right now, which allows the cooling system to always have a high amount of charge inside, 75%. Rising this number provides more heat transfer, keeping the engine temp low even on long haul drives. Our direct fit replacement part is made from T6061 billet stainless steel. At number 3 on our list, we have the weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe. Y pipes. Weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe for Dodge Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, 5500 6.7L uses same high-quality construction, advanced CNC machining, mil-spec Teflon-coated steel hardware, and zinc-plated billet aluminum with black anodized finish as the radiator's tanks, and neither copper pipes nor welding is required to assemble. No need to modify your truck using 5 stamped steel clamps to fasten this Y. At number 4 on our list, we have the RDPro black weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe. The 3-inch x 180-degree steel weldless radiator oil coolant Y pipe joiner duplicates the factory connection of the stock dual automotive cooling trio, radiator, oil cooler and intake egg auxiliary coolers. The 3-piece O-ring system provides positive sealing using racers part highway racing radiator clamps. At number 5 on our list, we have the Fleece Performance Engineering FPE Coolant Cummins 6.7 Coolant Bypass Kit compatible. Fleece Performance Engineering offers an engine coolant that ensures optimal protection and performance efficiency of your car while exerting little extra maintenance over its lifetime. Its high capacity results in fewer refills, higher durability and storage, as well as more guarding against corrosion. Mellon Heritage Energy Coolant. Engineered to meet highest standards of performance and function. Superior longevity towards extreme temperatures and pressure. At number 6 on our list, we have the RDPro weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe compatible. RDPro 6.7L weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe is precisely CNC machined billet aluminum to ensure an aesthetically pleasing design which will last. Unlike other brands, our pipes are bend formed, not welded or soldered, which leads to a TIG weld throughout the pipe, resulting in a weak point where it can leak. We have engineered our tube and fittings to eliminate this problem by keeping the entire pipe, both sides, as one solid piece of. At number 7 on our list, we have the Mishimoto MMHOS ERAM 13Y aluminum coolant Y pipe. If you're looking to replace the stock bulky, metal reinforced rubber coolant hoses with a bolt-on straight connection, Mishimoto can help. Mishimoto high-quality aluminum coolant hose kit creates a leak-free seal from the turbo to downpipes or transmission cooler. It includes CNC machined cast aluminum hose ends for a secure and anodized for durability. At number 8 on our list, we have the Meeker aluminum weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe compatible. Meeker dual radiator coolant Y pipe are 2-piece aluminum Y region, unnecessary and vulnerable plastic welded tubes which prone to failure is replaced by solid joint. The problem of pinholes failure in the tube is obviated by using a solid aluminum joint and no welding processing. Meeker engine coolant Y pipe can cool your engine fast and lighten the engine compartment for you. This is an ideal replacement part for your Dodge 6.7L Cummins pickup to reduce weight and increase performance. At number 9 on our list, we have the GPP weldless dual radiator coolant Y pipe compatible. The welds are extra thick and the radiator Y pipe is made out of 1-piece cast aluminum. This means no more leaks or blowout welds. GPP recognizes that many Ram owners install aftermarket accessories for diesel performance, off-road towing and lifestyle styling. To keep your engine running at the optimum temperature conditions, and GPP dual coolant pipe kit takes care of excessive heat that reduces airflow across cylinder heads and cylinder walls on 6.7 liters. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Pialu weldless dual radiator coolant Y-pipe compatible. The Pialu weldless single radiator Y-pipe is made from seamless alloy 6061T6 highly polished aluminum extrusion with anodized finish. The welded part at two ends is of high-quality weldless CNC machining. The Pialu coolant Y-pipe for Dodge Ram with dual radiator has long-lasting durability, and this feature optimizes its significance in the work of a radiator system. Its most important role play is on the authority and overflow end. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.